Okay, here are some beautiful tourist spots in Baler, Aurora that are generally within a 15 to 30-minute drive from the town center, Poblacion Municipal Hall area, assuming normal traffic conditions. 1. Sabang Beach, likely less than 15 mins, often walkable from many accommodations. Why it's beautiful, notable. This is Baler's most famous spot. It's a long gray sand beach known as the birthplace of surfing in the Philippines. Great for watching surfers or trying it yourself. Enjoying the sunrise and feeling the vibrant beach vibe. 2. Ermita Hill, approx. 15-20 means drive. Why it's beautiful, notable. Offers a stunning panoramic view of Sabang Beach, Baler Bay, and the Pacific Ocean. It's also a historical site, being the refuge for the few survivors of a catastrophic tsunami in 1735. There's a park and sculptures depicting the event at the top. 3. Digisit Beach and Rock Formations, including Anyao Islets and Luxo Islets, approx. 15 to 25 minutes drive. Why it's beautiful, notable. Driving south past Cemento Beach, you'll reach this area known for its dramatic rock formations sculpted by the waves. The Anyao Islets, two small islands just offshore, and the nearby Luxo Islets provide fantastic photo opportunities, especially during sunrise or sunset. The beach itself is rockier than Sabang, but visually striking. 4. Cemento Beach and Reef, approx 15 to 20 mins drive. Why it's beautiful, notable. Located south of Sabang, this beach is known for its white sand mixed with crushed coral and a powerful reef break popular with experienced surfers, usually during peak surf season. Even if you're not surfing, the coastline here is ruggedly beautiful and less crowded than Sabang. 5. Baler Hanging Bridge, likely less than 15 mins drive. Why it's beautiful, notable. Located over the Tibag Sabang River near the entrance to Sabang Beach area. While simple, crossing the swaying bridge offers nice views of the river and surrounding greenery, providing a different kind of picturesque experience. Spots right in the town center, less than 15 mins drive, often walkable. Museo de Baler showcases the history and culture of Baler and Aurora province. Doña Aurora, Aragon, Quezon House, a replica of the ancestral home of President Manuel L. Quezon's wife, offering a glimpse into the past. Baler Church, San Luis Obispo de Tolosa Parish, a historic church famous as the site of the siege of Baler. Important considerations. Traffic and road conditions. Drive times are estimates and can vary. Starting point. Assume starting from the very center, e.g. near the Municipal Hall Plaza. If you're staying further along Sabong Beach, times to Diguizit Cemento might be slightly shorter. Further spots. Note that some other very popular Baler attractions like Ditumabo Mother Falls are significantly further out, often requiring 45 mins to 1 hour drive plus a trek, and therefore not included in this list based on your time constraint. Enjoy exploring the beauty of Baler.